Hi guys, and welcome back. Today I just want to do a quick video on Castor Maritime. The ticker symbol is CTRM. I will also be providing my price targets at the end of this video. But before I continue on, just want to let you know that I am not a financial advisor. This is just for entertainment purposes only. I also just started a Patreon page where I'm trying to find like-minded people like myself and share ideas on how we can grow our portfolios together in the least riskiest way possible. I will also be sharing my trades with you guys as well. I like trading penny stocks, growth stocks, dividend stocks. I also love penny stocks. I just recently got into penny stocks and I made pretty decent money on them. The stock closed at 0.94 on Friday. I do have 1,300 shares at an average price of 0.86. And if we take a quick look at this 3 months chart, so it was just under 20 cents not too long ago. This was back in January. And then we see a lot of volume, a lot of momentum. It drove the stock all the way to 195. This was on February 11th. Before selling off, reaching a low of 0.66, and it was selling off for about 2 weeks due to the overall market, and then we saw a reverse just last week, and right now we are at a very strong support at 0.93 because it has hit 0.93 a few times already this month, as well as back in February. Now we are trying to break this resistance of 102. And I say this is a resistance because it has hit it not only one time, but it has hit it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times already in March. So once we hit that resistance, I do see a resistance of 1.11. Once we break that resistance, we can definitely go much higher. Her news that came out just recently was that they took delivery of the MV Magic Orion, a 2006 Japanese-built capsized dry bulk carrier, and on March 18th, it took delivery of the MV Magic Argo, a 2009 Japanese-built Kamsarmax dry bulk carrier. If you don't know what this company does, Castor Maritime is a small but growing shipping company based in the country of Cyprus. In 2018, Castor owned a single dry bulk shipping vessel. In 2020, the stock spent most of the year as a penny stock, even as it boosted its fleet size. However, the stock has now posted big gains in 2021. After opening the year at 19 cents, shares rocketed to a close of $1.73 on February 11. Since then, Castor Maritime stock has retreated to below $1, but it's still up nearly 280% year to date. So Castor Maritime transports dry bulk goods that are mostly raw materials like grain, coal, and iron ore. And the dry bulk shipping market is forecast to keep rising. In fact, in China, which has already recovered from the pandemic, continues to drive much of the growing demand. In January, Castor announced it was adding to its bulk carrier fleet, having purchased a 2006 capsized dry bulk carrier for $17.5 million. January 2021 reportedly has some of the highest dry bulk rates in a decade. This is good news for Castor Maritime. On February 11th, Castor Maritime announced it was purchasing a pair of 2005 Korean-built Aframax LR2 tankers. Ships of this class have a cargo capacity of 80,000 and 120,000 tons dead weight. When it comes to transiting the Suez Canal, they are exceeded only by the Suezmax class. Aframax ships also have an ideal size for ports that are unable to handle larger tankers. Castor Maritime has fully contracted both ships at $15,000 per day. As part of the deal, the company also signed a 50% profit-sharing arrangement. So Castor doesn't pocket the full amount, but the risk of the purchase has been reduced as well. The company released a press statement on why they purchased this. They stated, "We are a company that aims to take advantage of attractive opportunities presented to us as the shipping cycles evolve. Therefore, we are very excited to be entering the tanker markets at what we believe is an opportune time for this sector." Castor Maritime has made big moves this year, continuing an aggressive push to grow the size of its dry bulk goods fleets while also expanding into the oil tankers. When the global economy recovers post-pandemic, Castor Maritime is in a good position to pick up business and grow revenue. That's why it's definitely a stock that you guys should keep on your watch list, as well as possibly starting a small position just because it's falling from a high of 195. I do see it rebounding next week or in the coming weeks. If it does continue to drop, you can always average down because this stock does have a lot of growth potential and you don't want to miss the upside. You plan on adding more as time goes by. My price targets for Castor Maritime is at least $10 by the end of this year just because they have been acquiring vessels almost every single month. Let me know if you guys are holding on to Castor Maritime and let me know how many shares you guys are holding down below. And do consider joining the Patreon page. I am trying to find like-minded people like myself where we can share ideas and just find ways to grow our portfolios together. And thank you so much for watching. And also do consider joining the Patreon page. I do share my updates in the Market Gold Investor tier. And I am just trying to find people where we can talk about stocks, cryptocurrency, and options, and just growing as a community and growing our accounts together. Trading, investing can be lonely, and you just want to be able to do it with a community. So do consider joining the Patreon page. Thanks so much. Hi there. If you are interested in helping out the channel, you can sign up for Webull if you haven't already. They are currently offering 2 free stocks now. It used to be 4, so you don't want to wait until it gets to 1 free stock or no stocks at all. So you get 1 free stock when you open up a Webull account. And when you deposit $100 or more, you get 1 more free stock, which is valued between $8 and $1,600. And if you are transferring from another brokerage, they will reimburse you the fees up to $100. And you will also receive a complimentary 3-month subscription to Level 2 Events NASDAQ Total View from the day you sign up. So guys, what are you waiting for? 2 free stocks are waiting for you.